Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power 3 for the both sides to cancel about the cubic root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u to the power of 3, we have 3u squared du. First derivative of s to the power of 3, we have 3s squared ds. Next, we need to simplify number 3 for the both sides. This one is about a constant. That's why you got about 0 in here after we do first derivative. This one we change by u. S squared ds we change by u squared du. U multiplied by u squared, you got about u to the power of 3. Next, we can apply the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We got about u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 and we put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. So this one we have number 4. This one we have number 4. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.